In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the sales tax report in Shopify. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go inside your Shopify admin to access your tax data and how to export or print that report for your records or for your accountant. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account, then go to your Shopify dashboard. This is the main admin area where you usually manage your products, orders, and customers. If you're not already there, you can access it by logging into your Shopify store as you normally would. Give it a moment to load, especially if you have a lot of data in your store. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen for the settings option. It's usually represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on settings. This is where Shopify keeps all of your store's configuration options, including payments, shipping, and of course, taxes. Inside the settings area, you'll see a list of different sections. Find and click on the one labeled Taxes and Duties. This section controls how taxes are set up and applied in your store, and it's also where Shopify links to your tax reporting tools. If you manage multiple regions or countries, this page may already show you various tax locations and registration details. On the Taxes and Duties page, look for an option called Global Collected Tax Report. This is the link that opens the main report summarizing the sales tax that Shopify has calculated and collected on your orders. Click on Global Collected Tax Report, and Shopify will take you to the detailed tax report view. When the report screen loads, you'll see your sales tax data organized in a table. This can include information grouped by sales channel, country, region, tax name, and tax rate, depending on how your store is set up. To access more options for working with this report, move your cursor to the top corner of the report area and click on the three dots icon. These three dots usually indicate additional actions or settings related to what you're viewing. After you click on the three dots, a small menu will open. From here, you have two main choices for getting a copy of your report. You can click Export if you want to download the sales tax report, typically as a file you can open in a spreadsheet program or send directly to your accountant. Or you can click Print if you prefer a physical paper copy or want to save it as a PDF using your browser's print dialog. Choose the option that best fits how you like to store or share your sales tax records.